I'm very happy for the success of Oppo. Talagang word of mouth. Kahit sinong pakinggan mo na ang ganda ng Oppo. Halos lahat naka-Oppo na ngayon. Diba? Talagang Oppo is one of the fastest, best-selling phone brands in the country. So maraming salamat po for choosing me as the first ever brand ambassador. It's truly an honor po na maging bahagi ng Oppo family. Ay, yung kinakabahan daw ako.
Kamusta naman ang puso mo?
Ang puso ko, ang puso. Yun naman ang puso.
Gumaganon ba? Dumadugod-dog?
Dumadugod.
Ikaw naman.
Of course, we're very thankful to Oppo Philippines, of course, for diversifying the endorsers and influencers of this brand. Parang getting ambassadors from one network to another na hindi lang nag-one side. So we're very honored and thankful na nangyari to with this phone brand. And of course, from yung, like what Sarah said, na Oppo talaga is really the fastest growing phone brand in the Philippines now. Kasi from zero to hero yung naging range. So we're very thankful and I'm very honored po to be part of the Oppo family. And to all the bosses po, thank you so much for considering me as one of your ambassadors. Thank you.
At syempre din naman, kayo din naman dalawa sa mga dahilan kung bakit napaka-successful ng Oppo ngayon. Diba? Ikaw naman, kamusta puso mo?
Lagi nagtitaping.
Healthy puso.
Healthy.
Oh. Now, speaking of your schedules, with your hectic schedules, how does your Oppo F3 keep up with your busy lives?
Kasi yung Oppo talaga parang it's the first time that I've encountered a phone na sobrang easy features to access. And talagang napapadali, especially nowadays, we're very much into doing selfies and groupies, uploading it to social media. So parang Oppo made an effort to adjust to that need of the millennials nowadays. So ang galing, parang every phone brand na nilalaunch ng Oppo is really adjusting to what they need to cater para sa mga consumers natin, especially when it comes to uploading really nice quality photos on social media.
Parang masaya yung experience mo. Oo. Ikaw naman, Sarah.
Ako naman, parang when I use my phone, parang nag-uutan na. Kanina pa to. At saka si Alden eh.
Ayun. Nagot.
Pwede ko mag-gawin ito.
Hindi ba ako sa gitna akong ganda? Joke na.
Si Alden. Hindi. Kasi ako, when I use my phone, ito, confess talaga to, confession na naging habit na I switch from one application to another. Diba? So na-open na multiple applications na talaga. So what's amazing about Oppo F3, it works smoothly and efficiently talaga. So good quality po talaga Oppo F3.
Tanong ko lang, ano ba yung mga mahilig yung picturean sa phone niyo? Kung mga selfies, groupies, ano yun?
Medyo oo. Nahilig din po talaga mag-take ng selfie. At saka, syempre, when we are with our loved ones, friends, diba? Syempre, we wanna capture that special moment, yung bonding memories. So, immediately, we'll take a groupie shot. So, with the one of my favorite features ng Oppo F3, it's the wide angle camera.
Kasi maraming kasama sa picture.
Kasi Gretchen, hassle-free siya kasi Gretchen, ay ilong ko. Kasi Gretchen, hindi hassle-free na siya kasi before, di ba, dadami pa tayo ng selfie stick, or you will adjust yourself para mag-fit in kayo, everybody in one photo, in the photo. So ngayon, talagang one click away, switch mo lang siya sa wide-angle camera mode, and then,
actually, gusto ko sa, sa wide-angle mode. Mukha kang payat.
Ay,
diba?
Actually, yes, I agree.
Sa ating mga babae, diba?
Saka, pag ganyan, yan.
Pag nasa bara tayo siya, pakita yung abs.
Kasi sa trabaho natin, the struggle is real pagdating sa weight.
Ikaw naman, anong favorite Oppo F3 features mo?
Yes, actually, aside from the wide angle, is yung slim and elegant design. Actually, this is the slimmest phone of Oppo available in the market. So, mas madali siya to bring with you, madaling ibulsa, handy siya, hindi masyado, that doesn't consume much space. So yun yung isa sa mga features ng Oppo F3 na talagang very much appealing to me now.
Now, when it comes to the unknown qualities of the Oppo F3, ano ba yung masashare natin, yung mga secret features?
Features, I guess guess na-mention siya kanina yung the bokeh effect. no?
Bokeh effect, yes.
Oo. Ano
And
ba yung bokeh effect?
yung parang nagmumukhang professional photo yung professional photographer yung nag-take.
Ano siya, it focuses the subject.
Yes, nagbe-blur yung and also sa double exposure.
Oh, mukha kang expert.
Makikita po nila mamaya yung feature na double exposure ng Oppo F3 is when you take one photo and you change into another angle, pero ang finished product nun is one photo lang. Ang galing eh, parang it's the first time that I've seen such technology pagdating sa capturing photos in a phone.
Kumbaga parang pwede mo sabihin professional ka.
Oo, hindi na kailangan i-edit eh. 2 clicks na, diretso na.
Ayan. Maraming salamat, Sarah and Alvin. Thank you for sharing
Thank you so much.
your experiences. Now let's go to our influencers. Now, ito naman para sa ating mga influencers.